To fix a microwave that's not warming up, start by checking if it's receiving power. Ensure the microwave is plugged into a working power source. And if the current outlet is faulty, try plugging it into another one. If the power source is working, try turning the microwave off and then back on after a few minutes. A faulty door switch can also prevent the microwave from heating up, even when it's on. In this case, the door switch may need to be replaced, which can be done by disassembling the microwave, although it's recommended to consult a professional if you're not familiar with the process. Additionally, some microwaves have a demo mode that prevents them from heating up. So check the manufacturer's manual for instructions on how to turn off this feature. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a microwave that's not warming up.